Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling screenshots on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Then select General. Scroll down the General settings and choose Screenshots. You can now tap the toggle to the right of Enable Screenshots to enable the setting. When the toggle is green, screenshots are enabled, and when it is grey, they are disabled. To take a screenshot on your watch, press the digital crown and side button simultaneously. You will know the screenshot has worked when the screen flashes white for a second. To view screenshots, open the Photos app on your iPhone and go to Albums and then Screenshots. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.